Hello everyone. This is a project on creating an inclusive school. The project topic is to review the ICT tools for the disabled students. Ginger Software. Ginger Software is an developed by Israeli startup company. It is founded in the year of 2007. Ginger Software is the world's leading contextual correction tool. And this software it is very helpful for the students who have dyslexia. The dyslex Let us watch a video about this Ginger software.
Ginger Page is a one-stop shop for writing English. It gives you everything you need to write flawless text and express yourself confidently. As you type your text, Ginger Page instantly provides you with grammar and spelling suggestions so that you can send your messages without embarrassing typos or grammar mistakes. Choose the writing style that suits you most by using different suggestions provided by Ginger Page. Based on a contextual understanding of your text, Ginger Page adds synonyms and other missing words. No matter where you're writing, Ginger Page supports more than 60 languages, has cool eye-catching themes, get quick translations, find synonyms, and get word definitions. No matter what your writing need is, Ginger Page delivers it with accuracy and style. Start writing right now.
Students with dyslexia will have trouble in organizing their ideas, spelling words correctly, and constructing clearly organized paragraphs. The dyslexia students have trouble to choosing the right word. So, this Ginger software supports the students who has dyslexia. This software has many features. The major features are grammar checker, dictionary, synonyms, text reader, translation, and personal trainer. Grammar checker. It analyzes the punctuation, grammar, and spelling mistakes and offers correct alternative for the sentence. This Ginger grammar checker uses to correct grammar mistakes, spelling mistakes, and misused words with unmatched accuracy. This grammar checker, rather than promoting, uses to correct errors one by one. The Ginger identifies and corrects every errors in a given sentence simultaneously. Ginger even offers a suggestion for alternative sentence structures. Translation feature. In this feature, Ginger is able to translate between 40 different languages. This translation text will appear in the lower half of the writing window, so it is very useful for the students. Dictionary. This feature will understand the true meaning of the words in the text with contextual definitions and synonyms. In this feature, it is rather than give just a meaning about the words, it gives full definition of a word and find synonyms for it. Text reader. It reads any text in a high quality human voice and transforming English text into English learning broadcasts. This feature reads about any text in a document, email, or a website is like a human voice. So it will assist students in reviewing the text and making sure everything sounds right. Synonyms. This feature allows the users to access additional vocabulary when writing. And the main major feature of this software is personal trainer. It is a unique feature. This session provide analysis based on the mistakes from their own writings and helps in improving better communication for a fluent English. This is a unique tool analyzes students' writings in order to identify their weak areas in English and provide a lessons for improving those topics. This is the only grammar tool that helps you learn from your own mistakes. In this software, it also has many features like phrase of the day. It provides background information, meanings, and interesting facts regarding the common phrases. Also, it has a personal dictionary and offers some tutorials. The Ginger is a unique algorithm allows the software to understand the context of the sentence rather than correcting based on only a word. It is very challenging for the students with writing disabilities to get their ideas down on a paper due to the spelling mistakes. For many cases, students with writing disabilities will choose to use smaller words that they know that they can spell, but they didn't take a risk to spell a difficult word. Also, the students with dyslexia typically spell very phonetically or drop out the letters that they just don't hear in the word. This is where Ginger comes in and allows the students the ability to get their ideas down without slowing them down and forcing them to check their spellings. And this Ginger software has the ability to look at not only the misspellings but also look at the word in the context to help make the appropriate suggestion. Overall, the Ginger software provides a level support that will give the confidence to the students to get their ideas out with the words that they want to use. These are the reference of this project, and thank you.